Thanks for tuning in. Today I have a very exciting Louis Vuitton haul. I basically picked up the best piece from the latest collection. If you're tuning in for the first time, hi, I'm Katie. I like to do these luxury fashion videos here on YouTube. I share hauls and reviews, but at the end of the day, I share my journey so we can all mindfully curate our own collections. If you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below with your thoughts on this piece that I just picked up. All of your support really means a lot to me. If you hear some weird rattling, it's because the wind is blowing like crazy outside and it's making the screen shake. So that's what that kind of weird tapping noise might be. It is a gloomy, dreary day, so I did the best that I could with the lighting I have, so I hope you're able to see reasonably well. I think I'm gonna start off with this piece because this is really, both of these pieces are super exciting, but this is definitely really exciting because it was a free gift from Louis Vuitton. Our SA was finally able to send over our holiday gift, basically, the VIP gift from last year. Our SA was saying that he picked something for us and then it got canceled, so he had to re-pick something. I think it was like some supply chain challenges and stuff like that. So it's finally here. It is this amazing passport holder, and we were ecstatic about it because we were like, oh my gosh, we are planning on traveling in April, so this is absolutely wonderful. It is a pretty true orange color. It's not quite neon, but it's not as deep as the Hermes like house signature orange color. I'm gonna put it next to the Louis Vuitton bag because that might be good reference for what this color is. With a few card slots up here, there's another pocket down here, and then there's two almost like flap sections. I think you can put your passport on one side, your boarding pass on the other. Actually, you could put like both of your passports if you're traveling with your significant other or something. You could put both passports in here. I remember when I was younger, my dad used to always like have the entire family's passports all together because, you know, I could not be trusted with my own things. And so this is definitely super exciting, super precious, and I definitely look forward to using this. And of course, this next piece I am also super excited about. I was not actually expecting it. Well, I didn't even know it existed, but I'm so thrilled. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to wear this piece. I know, shocking that it's another menswear piece, but you know how I am. You know, I just cannot resist some of the menswear pieces, especially when it comes to ready-to-wear. I feel like Vuitton's ready-to-wear for men's is a lot more cool, a lot more effortless than some of the women's wear pieces. So I think that's why I get drawn towards the men's line. But can you just pause and appreciate like the literal artwork on this shirt? I'm gonna go up as well so you can see. The bottom also has, it's an entire landscape on this shirt, and it is gorgeous. The colors are amazing. This is part of the latest spring summer men's collection. If you watched a video from, I want to say last month, I shared an unboxing of the Amen Breaker crew neck pullover that I also got from the spring summer collection. That was a piece that we pre-ordered before the collection even launched, based on the pieces that we saw available, based on the runway show or like presentation. That was the piece that we knew that we definitely wanted to get from the collection. Like we wanted to secure that we can get that one. When I watched the runway show, I noticed this print. It was in a keep-all, which was gorgeous, and a men's two-piece suit. So the full blazer and pants. And it definitely stood out to me. I saw the blazer. I even contemplated for a hot minute whether I was going to maybe get a blazer, you know, just because of how amazing the landscape was, that just the whole imagery was. But I knew I wouldn't really be able to wear a men's blazer that well, like a suit jacket that well. And I also didn't need another keep-all. So as much as I loved this design, I was like, it's okay. I had no idea they made it in this kind of button-down shirt format, like a short sleeve shirt, and it is amazing. I can't really describe, I don't know what the technology is behind this fabric in particular. I think it's been woven in. I think it's literally almost like a painting. Each thread got woven into the fabric to make this illustration. It's not a screen print. It's not something that's applied on top. It's within the actual fabric. It's just really fascinating, really amazing to see up close just how each thread practically mimics a paint stroke. I got some clips of me in the fitting room that I can insert now so you can see what it looks like on, and how just chic and slimming actually it is. I just couldn't stop my amazement with this piece, honestly. And it was just so cool. I could see myself actually wearing this with like denim shorts and a crop top underneath, because it's like big enough but covers enough where I feel like I could try to wear a crop top in the spring, summertime. Oh, it just won my heart over. We actually went to the boutique to catch up with our sales associate and also check out this other denim workwear shirt that came out as part of the Spring Summer 22 collection. Some of you might remember that we have a workwear shirt from the watercolor collection that was, I think, a couple spring summers ago. This piece was also gorgeous, very well made. It felt a little bit stiffer than the blue denim workwear piece that we already have in our collection. So that stood out. The second reason why we didn't end up getting that piece is because I felt like it photographs better what the denim actually looks like up close to get that kind of gradation effect. It's a lot of like dots, and I felt like it just looked like static on your shirt, but up close it's almost like you see too many of the little speckles, and that just seemed a little bit odd, honestly. Yeah, it just didn't wow us over like this one did. This one was definitely a special piece that we were just like, we need that. This one also has a special extra tag here that says Amen Break, just like there's one on the inside of the blue pullover that we have as well. I just cannot wait for the weather to get warmer to just wear this. I just can't wait. Like always, I will share the details, the style number, the price, and everything in the description box down below, so check that out for more information. Our essay was also sharing that the SS22 collection has just been a nightmare in terms of getting the stock into the boutiques. Apparently there's been a whole bunch of supply chain challenges, orders that got canceled accidentally and things like that. So he described it as literal Hunger Games to track down pieces. He also shared that they're expecting to get some more inventory in April. So if there was anything from the Spring Summer 22 collection that you've been eyeing, especially around leather goods and things like that, April might be a better time frame to check out and see if they got some more in. So I know this was a really quick haul, a quick unboxing, but I was super excited about both of these items. I really couldn't resist waiting any longer. So I wanted to share them as soon as possible. If you have any other questions on any of these items or really anything at all, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new fashion related videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So until next time,